Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to show you guys two more slides for this lesson, slide 19 and 20. All right. So we're going to kind of go off what we did the last video, and expand just a little bit. So here is slide 19. All right. I'm going to go back to my camera again because it just makes it easier for me to write. Now here's the important thing, guys. Okay. What you just learned was if I give you an angle and you're trying to find a missing side, you use trig. Okay, so everyone just take a deep breath, look at this problem, and I don't know if you can realize this, but now they're giving us a missing angle. Before we were missing a side, okay? So nothing's really changing in this problem, just one little tiny thing at the end. We're still gonna circle the angle. The angle's always on the inside. I'm still gonna label opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Okay. Now we got so, ka, toa. All right. See how 16 is my hypotenuse, 9 is my opposite. Adjacent, I have nothing. So if I cover that up, I have O and H. Look up here. Which one has O and H in it? Well, so this time I'm going to say sine of, I don't know the angle, so I put sine M equals O over H, 9 over 16. Here's the tricky part. You guys can't see me, I'm doing air quotes right now, okay? I want to find the angle, all right? So to find the angle, we got to use something special in our calculator. So I'm going to go back to my calculator, okay? Now, you guys have been doing, sine, cosine, tangent, okay? What we're going to do now is we're going to do something called inverse sine, cosine, tangent, okay? All right, let me explain this to you guys. Here was my problem. Sine m equals 9 over 16. We want to do what's called sine inverse 9 over 16 to find my angle. Looks super scary, right? Okay, if we go to our calculator, see how we're on main? If you come over here to function, see how it says sine -1? That stands for sine inverse. All we do is type in 9, or hit that, 9 divided by 16. So I come back over to here, 9 divided by 16. Boom, 34.22 or 34.23. Okay, so m equals 34.23 degrees. It's one extra thing. We call this inverse trig, and we only do that to find missing angles, okay? Yes, it's been a few weeks and I've already forgot how to write. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at our next slide then. All right, I know this is a little confusing. Believe me, I know that, but I promise you'll make more sense the more problems you see. So we're going to go down to slide 20 now. Oh my gosh, look, guys, it's like the same thing. Okay, so here's slide 20. Don't freak out. It's the same thing every time. And even when you show me your work, if you can just get through the first few steps, I'll be so impressed. Circle your angle, label your opposite, label your hypotenuse, label your adjacent. Okay. Now, A and O and A, they're the two sides given to us because I have nothing over here, no number for that. So O and A, if I look back up here, so ka toa, which one has O and A? Tangent, okay? So tangent of my angle equals O over A, 52 over 10. All right? So all I'm going to do now, since I'm trying to find angle, I'm going to use what's called the inverse. Tangent inverse 52 over 10 equals angle Z. Okay, so tangent inverse 52 over 10, back to my calculator. Okay, I'm going to clear this all out. We're going to go to functions, tangent inverse. All right, we wanted 52 over 10. Those of you wondering about like reducing it down, the calculator will do it for us. 79.11 degrees. Okay, so Z equals 79.11 degrees. All right, is it harder? I think it is a little bit. It's just one extra button in the calculator, though. You have your notes. Use these for resources, okay? Please do that. So back to our slideshow real quick. Here's what I want you guys to try out. 21 is a word problem with SpongeBob. Okay. It's the same idea. Label opposite adjacent hypotenuse. You're trying to find an angle. Use the inverse function. Okay. So type your work in here. And then here's the deal with 22 real quick so I can explain this to you guys. All right. Try to find a picture of a triangle in real life. And I want you to take a picture of it. So go for a walk outside. Like this is where I was talking about trees, things like that. Maybe find a corner of your house. I'd like you to take a picture of it. And you do not have to take out a tape measure to measure these sides and stuff like that. But just give me a ballpark estimate. Like if you're like 10 feet away from a tree, okay, the tree is maybe 20 feet tall. How can we find this angle? Okay. Make up your own problem. Try and show your work. The key word here is try. I will help you if you guys try it, submit it. I'll offer you guys feedback. You know I'm here for you always. You know I miss you guys. Okay. So it's all good. All right. So guys, keep up the good work. Good news, everybody, too. I got in the mail today. I just got Pokemon Sword for my Switch. So I know you guys are really worried about if I was gaming a lot. Don't worry, I am. All right. Kind of excited to get on this. I'll let you guys know how it goes, okay? I miss you all. All right. Keep up the good work. As always, good luck. We're all counting on you.